McDonald's. Okay, so guys, today we are going to Malsej Ghat and it's 7 o'clock and we have met at McDonald's over here where the cab is going to come to pick us up. Let me introduce you to my friend Joel and this old uncle Kelvin.
What's up?
And you have already met this guy Nitesh.
Yeah, we have.
And this guy whose name I took wrong last time.
Sudan.
And Chris. Hi, Daniel. He's our gentle giant.
And this is the Polish guy, Kelvin. Polish guy.
So this is a stop for breakfast, pit stop, and Rizal has ordered some stuff for us. I've ordered some stuff. What is stuff? क्या है breakfast में?
Breakfast में we have rolls, na?
So there goes our gentle giant. Giant.
Can't see it, but I'm actually smiling under this mask. Whoops.
So it's been 2 hours since we have started the journey from Borivali. We started at 8:50. Now it's like 10:30, and we are almost there. It's going to take another 1 hour, another 1.5 hours. And the view now has started from here of the ghats. So most of you guys have already been to Malsej Ghat, which is a common destination during the monsoons. There are a lot of waterfalls and all along the way, and Malsej Ghat is really beautiful during the rains. But since this pandemic, we didn't get to travel anywhere and we missed going to Malsej Ghat during the monsoons. We decided to go to Malsej Ghat in January. Another thing is I didn't know about MTDC hotels until my friend introduced it to me. So MTDC is Maharashtra Tourism and Development Corporation, and they have their hotels in one of the best locations throughout of Maharashtra. So anywhere you go, you're going to get MTDC, whether it's Tarkali, whether it's Matheran, Malsej Ghat, and many other places. I seen pictures and videos of MTDC after my friend told me about them, and I really liked the one at Malsej Ghat, which is right at the valley, and we decided to go there. So we are headed to MTDC.
What?
Shows how you feel.
Wants to see
You want to see that?
I want to see if
artificial thing?
what was going into.
Oh freak! This. That too with the protection. With the protection. With the protection.
Oh, freak out.
Hi.
We have reached MTDC Malsej Ghat, and the room which we took is the valley facing room, which I'm going to show you in some time.
Want some context?
Where did you all go?
We went to the point over there. After 10 minutes, we'll be ready.
Wait, now come here for 2 minutes. Daniel is there. We'll take him also. First, let's drop these guys' bags there, and whatever we need, an important one, we'll go there because they'll match out in that room. So we got 2 rooms. One is a valley facing one, and the other one is a normal cottage room. The valley facing one was close to 3,000 and 3,500. Yeah. The valley one was 3,500 and the normal cottage one was somewhere close to 3,000. Yeah. So, Kelvin, here it is. So I'll just show you all the cottage room. Chris, 2 minutes, then we'll go. Let them keep the bag. Come now. So this is the cottage room. It's quite big inside, but only thing, the view is not that great. I've not yet seen the other room. So this is the cottage rooms which were for 3,000. So there are 2 double beds, this and this. There is a small TV. Then there is the toilet and the bathroom. And the view. So this is the view from the cottage room. Not bad. This view also quite good, huh? Not bad. This view also nice. Okay, Crizel is going to take us to the valley facing room. Crizel, you have come to these rooms like many times, no? So Crizel has come to these rooms like many times, the valley facing one, and she's always told me like, Mel, there is this MTDC in Malsej and they have a really nice valley view and all. So I saw it online. It looked really nice. Let's see now in reality what it is. Also another thing is, I think during the rains it would be all nice and green, but now it's all brown and green, but it's still nice. So let's see. No, it's not. And this is our room.
Bro.
So this is for 2 and there's a sofa cum bed. So 3 can stay here.
Look at the view. How is it? I would say sensual, but it's an abstract thing, so I can't say much. But it is superb.
It's superb, no?
It's very nice.
Just imagine, just go down there and just...
Wow.
Okay, yeah.
So this is the balcony. This is our view. But we are allowed to go there. There are benches kept over there. They forgot to put barricade this side or what?
Allowed to go until the fifth one down, I remember. Know about Indians?
I can see the recording.
Right, so their food idea of what Indian food is called bunch chicken naan and all that. But like, so, what the hell?
No. We're recording it. See, I don't remember anything.
Okay.
When I will reminiscence on this when I go back.
Now we are going to have lunch. There's a restaurant right inside the hotel over here. Okay, so I found out that if we take a room delivery, they are going to charge like 10% extra. Also, if you want to take parcel from here to the room, it's 10% extra. What is this? What the? क्या हरकतें कर रहा है? क्या हरकतें चालू तीनों का? हाँ?
मैं मच्छा हुई ना देख
Okay, guys, I'm sorry, I didn't get the parcel. You know what he's saying? So he's saying 10% on the total bill,
Fine,
even
I'll
if
pay
you
that.
take parcel and even if you order from the
Fine,
room.
I'll pay
I
that,
said
okay.
better than that, let's order in the room. Why I'll carry parcel and bring?
Don't worry, bro.
No worries.
Put it on me.
आज का पार्टी जो के नाम पे
तेरा भाई बहुत इंसेंटिव कमाते चलो
I'll put guys I'm going to put
on me bro
I'm going to put Joel
tomorrow
OND क्वार्टर सुना है OND
फिर से बोल ना incentives
बोल दिया it came
दिसंबर में तेरा भाई ने
It came.
दो पेटी इंसेंटिव कमाया
बस
Okay, guys, I'm going to give Joel's contact number in the description. Anyone wants free trips,
please
you can just contact Joel.
He's single and looking for a wife.
sure.
World's eligible bachelor.
Joel is single and ready to mingle.
whoever mingle what but whoever wants
To
macha no whoever wants a Mercedes Benz Joel
And if you want a BMW, Kel bro.
What's up, my shit? What's happening here? What's up,
Quiet.
my shit? What's happening here, man?
So what?
So we are not decided yet. What
Can you
to
please
say.
hold it, please, please,
What?
please, please. Okay. It's
I just
what's the
had
time? It's 4:30 and now we are going to
I
the
just had an
edge
amazing-
of the valley to see the view from close by, the edge of the cliff.
I just had an amazing time. Melissa had us all trained for the Jerusalem.
Don't say that.
It was really amazing. It was more of a pre-workout thingy. I enjoyed it, and you're gonna see a live performance soon. Very soon. Yeah.
Very soon.
Stay tuned, man.
Okay. Okay, so it's hot right now, not very hot, but we are expecting it to become very cold like around 8 o'clock after sunset. So this is the cliff over there. The second last room which you see is our room. Guys, I'm telling y'all, in the monsoons it's going to be really nice. This thing right now looks all brown. I don't like brown too much, I like green too much, so it's okay, but it's still very nice. But I think when it is green it's going to be better. But this is in the month of January and this is how it is now. Oh my god.
Are you recording?
Masha.
Of course I'm recording.
तू ले रहा है मजाक कर रहा है?
अरे बंद कर रहा हूँ.
Where is Joel and
Joel changing
what?
his top to orange.
Why?
Oh god.
To match.
Yeah, to match his brother.
चलो रेस यहाँ से चल रेस यहाँ से चल आपको स्पीड होने का ज़्यादा
Nah, it's not raining, you're not going to skate.
Mel, complete a statement. What you just said? Nare, right?
Nah, rain.
Na 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 re na re na re na 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 re na re.
I was like, nah, we're not going to skate. It's not monsoon. Good morning. So yesterday night we full chook out. As Joel says, कल क्या किया हम लोग? चुका लिया.
My throat is screwed.
So this is the end of this beautiful trip here, and for one last time the view. Guys, MTDC is really decent. Like it won't put a hole in your pocket, and है ना?
Food is good.
Kharcha was good. The food was also
There's
decent.
No tandoor. There's no tandoor.
Okay, Joel just wanted to specifically say there was no tandoor.
No paneer tikka. No chicken tikka.
Oh, get the menu now. The food was decent. I'll show you all the prices. The stay was nice for that price. And yeah. So this is the menu just in case.
नहीं जा रही लाइन.
I don't trust you either way. क्योंकि कल he's like, आ रहा हूँ. क्या है वो?
Okay, tandoor is written over here, but I didn't have yesterday.
Very weird, bro. You're not paneer.
That cook must have leaves.
अरे उनका पनीर must have got over.
No man.
Then how they give us paneer chili?
But they don't have tandoor. I want to say like.
Okay, so we played loud music and till like 4 in the morning, and no one came and said anything. MTDC did not come and stop us, and nor did the neighbors say anything. So I don't really know if the sound was reaching them and they were annoyed and still they didn't say anything, or whether the sound was not reaching them. I don't know. But yeah, we could play music till 8, and so if you want to have a party, anything, you can come to MTDC because they allow you to have your own music till 4 in the morning.